What's up, guys? I'm James, also known as Just Some Nerd, and we've got something really exciting here that we're going to be taking a look at in this video. We have the Spirit Halloween Ghost Trap. I'm going to open this up and give you guys kind of a first impression view of it, and just kind of check it out. If you're not familiar with this stuff, this year Spirit Halloween, the seasonal Halloween store, has done a whole line of Ghostbusters replica props and collector's items, and the ones that are kind of the most sought after are the trap, the PKE meter, and the goggles. But they've also got some other cool stuff like a big foam Stay Puff and a big Slimer mask and all kinds of cool stuff, and people are super excited for these. And I was lucky enough to get my hands on one of the traps thanks to one of my fellow Ghostbusters for giving me a heads up. And so we're going to open this up and check it out. But before that, little tease, we also have one of the utility belts. So we're going to take a look at the utility belt too. Before we open it up, let's just check out the box. The box is pretty cool. Lights up with sound. Spirit Halloween. Takes 2 AA batteries that are included. Without further ado, let's open it up. So, it's a little... So we've got some stickers right here. Some stickers. I've heard that these are... that the stickers are not the best. Now I can see the ones in this box are a little wrinkled right there. Not really a big deal, but they're not perfect, but it's really not a big deal. And there it is. The wheels are already on there. There appears to be, door's a little finicky. So we got a little tab here. We got to pull that out. So the door's caught on something, so the door doesn't want to shut right. There's a little on and off switch right here, so let's flip that on, flip it on, and the light comes on as soon as you flip it. Seems like that sound just, oh, there it goes. I was starting to say that it seems like that sound just keeps going, but it just stopped. But the lights are still on. Now let's see if it shuts right. Nope, it's still not shutting right. There's these little gears right here, and it looks like those aren't lined up quite right, and that's the reason the doors don't want to shut. Okay, so I got the doors to shut. And what I did was these little white gears right here, I just had to turn them forward one notch, and now the door shut okay. A lot of people are obviously going to compare this to the one that Mattel made a few years ago, the Matty Collector one, and I don't have that one to compare this to it, but I do have this 3D printed one that I made. And these are the files from the tested video that I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen. So here's the two of these side by side. And you can see that The Spirit Halloween one is a little bit larger than this 3D printed one. The paint job on the Spirit Halloween one is okay. It's not great. The silver parts are not very metallic. They're almost kind of white looking. It would definitely lend itself to someone that is interested in repainting these. None of the knobs turn. And here's the belt clip. I heard some people complain about these belt clips looking kind of weak, like they might break easily, and I actually think it looks pretty sturdy. I definitely wouldn't be surprised if it broke, but it doesn't look as weak as some people kind of made it sound like. Okay, so here's the utility belt. The belts are $9.99, and I'm actually pretty impressed by how well this is made. I expected these to be kind of a cheap, like, plasticky material, but this actually feels like pretty similar material that you would expect to any of these like nylon canvas belts. So it has two keychains on it that are made out of a kind of vinyl faux leather material. So as is a little loose on me. The way it attaches is not very sturdy. So here's what it looks like on the belt, and it actually feels pretty good. It's a little heavy, but not too bad. The belt, like I said, it doesn't really get super tight, and so I don't know how reliable it's going to be to wear for a very long time because it has a different clasp than the pistol belts on Amazon do. Alright, so a couple final thoughts. The trap is pretty nice. The doors were messed up when I first got it, but after fiddling with it for a couple minutes, I was able to get them to shut right, so that's good. The paint job is not great, and there are some bad spots on it from, I don't know, I guess it's from the casting, or maybe it was just dinged up when being assembled, I don't know. You could probably clean that up with some sandpaper if you really cared that much. And again, the paint job is kind of not that great. The spots that really should be more metallic are kind of white, and you know, that maybe that's something that bothers you, maybe it's not. I think it would be fun to kind of dirty this up and weather it a little bit, but if I was going to take the time to do that, I would probably take the time to kind of clean up the whole paint job first. The sounds and the lights are pretty cool. I think everybody really gets a kick out of Ghostbusters stuff with all the lights on it and things like that. So having the lights really adds something to it, and it is kind of nice when you turn it on, the lights come right on. So if you just wanted to have this sitting on a table with the lights on, you could do that. So the price on these online is $49.99, I think, and Spirit is really good about always having coupons. So definitely, if you're interested in ordering this or any of the other Spirit Ghostbusters gear, definitely check out the coupons and stuff that they have before you order, because chances are you'll be able to get a decent little discount on it. I also have the other gear, the PKE Meter and the Ecto Goggles, on pre-order, and they're supposed to ship, you know, sometime in September. So when I get those, I'm definitely going to do another video showing off those, as well as, you know, how all this stuff looks together. I'll have links in the description to where you can order this stuff. If you have more questions, you can drop me a comment down below. I'm going to take a bunch of pictures of this. I'm going to post them up on my Facebook page. So if you're interested in that, give my Facebook page a like, @JustSomeNerd, and I'm going to post this stuff on Instagram and Twitter too, so you can follow me on all that stuff. So if you're interested, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I've got more Ghostbusters stuff planned, and I'll see you guys next time.